Welcome to our first episode of Wholesale Tutorials. The purpose of these videos is to develop a bit of an online resource for our wholesale partners. These things might hopefully be able to help you to troubleshoot some common issues that you might face, and also to help maintain your equipment. So we'll be putting out a new video every week, so if you have any suggestions or things that you'd like us to discuss, yeah, feel free to let us know and make those suggestions. Alright, today we'll be looking at maintaining and cleaning our Puq presses. Alright, so this is the Puq press, which a lot of you have probably used before. One thing you might notice is when there's stuff on the bottom of the tamper, it'll muck up your puck. So what you want to do is grab your cloth and give it a nice little wipe underneath. Now I try to do that, you know, whenever I have a small break in service or whenever you've got some spare time, just to make sure that's nice and clean. Alright, the next tip is, at the end of the day, the Puq press has this pretty cool little clean function where you just click that, whammy, down she goes, and you give it a nice little wipe. Done. Alright, third tip was, at the end of the week, you want to give it more of a deep clean. So once again, click on your cleaning function, take the top off, and grab your Allen key tool. In the top here, you'll see a little Allen key bolt there. So you jump into that, unscrew that, pull out your screw, don't lose it, and unscrew your tamp. There it is. Give it a clean. What you also want to do is give it a good clean on the inside. So grab your brush, clean it right out. This one's obviously nice and clean. Now, all you have to do, reassemble. Put your tamp in, screw that on. Put your bolt back in. Tighten her up. Not too tight, just finger tight. Put the top on. Whoops. Click the clean button again, and that's it, done. So that's it for today, keeping your Puq press clean, and we'll see you next time.